I'm Laura Franklin and welcome to Gardening with Laura. Today I'm going to show you how to properly plant tomatoes. Let's get started. So the most important thing to remember when you're planting your tomatoes is that you want to plant them very deep. So I have a nice deep raised bed here, so I'm able to dig quite a deep hole for my tomatoes. If you don't have as deep of a place to grow your tomatoes, what you can do is actually dig a trench, and then you can lie your tomatoes on the side and you can bury them in the trench about a foot down all the way up until about this part. So if you look at that there, it's covering most of the stem up until the main growth sort of starts to happen. But what I'm gonna do is just pop this tomato into my nice deep hole that I've dug for it. So as you can see, it's nice and deep in there. And the reason we do this is because tomato plants are unique in that they actually grow roots out of all of the stem that's underground. So this makes sure that your tomato is nice and strong and it has a really healthy and productive root system. So we're gonna pop it in and then we're just gonna fill the rest of the hole up with dirt, and that's it. It's nice and simple, but just make sure you're going deep with your holes for the tomatoes. So as you can see, the tomato has been buried nice and deep. I've just filled in the rest of that hole with soil, and only the top part, that's the main new growth, is exposed here. So that allows the stem to produce all these roots underground, makes a very strong tomato plant. And what you can also do is just remove any of the lower leaves if you have a bunch of growth, lower growth on your tomatoes. All right, that's it. Happy growing.